Hello, should I buy stocks after earning announcement? Well, with swing trading strategy that I'm using, I don't even paying attention to that. If you are buying stocks and you are selling it within a short period of time, it might matter to you. But when it comes to up to long swing trading strategy, it frankly I don't even think about it. Today we are going to analyze TXN as of June 14, 2026. So we have our maximum daily chart here, and I like to buy TCM along the support line. Right now the price is close to all-time highest price than it is close to this valley, so therefore I'm not going to buy. That is to the extent I do my chart analysis, and when it's down and I want to buy it, I just place my order. I don't really pay attention to earning anything. But in 2024, when I was using short up to long swing trading strategy, buying and selling every few days, we can, for instance, put NVDA, which is something I traded in 2024, swing traded. Yeah, I pay attention to dividend and earning back then a little bit, but for a while, and then I just decided not to, because sometimes I'll decide not to purchase, but then it will drop, and sometimes I'll decide to purchase and then it'll go up, or vice versa. So there, and I'll do that within for the same stocks. Therefore I decided that I'll just choose one option, whether buy or not buy, and I decided to go with buying anyway. So that way, sometimes if I purchase and then the price drop, some other times when I purchase it, after I purchase it, the price will go up. That way I'm just on one side, instead of changing it without any support opinion to support my decision. So, but it's just what I end up doing, ignoring it and placing my order anyway, knowing that it could go south or north. So it's either or, and sometimes I will win, sometimes I won't, but then I'll get stuck in it until it goes back up, and then I will sell it. So, and if we are looking at those, for instance, here this is earning, and this will be more dividend. And when I'm putting my arrow on this, for instance, we notice that the price dropped. Even though it went up that day, the price dropped that day, started at the top and end up at the bottom. But if the price was still higher than the previous day here, we have the date on the x-axis from the past to the present, and the price on the y-axis from $0 up. But then it dropped considerably for 3 days, then we start going up, and I purchased it there. So I purchased it here and sold it the next day, and then it dropped. So pretty much the day of the earning, it went up. So I purchased it there and sold it there, but then after that it dropped, and I pretty much purchased it on dividend, around dividend time. It went up, I didn't sell it, and then I got stuck in it because it dropped, and all the way I kept it and end up selling a month later. So this one was in December, and I end up selling it in July. So, but for the time then it went up at some point and then dropped for a while, for months, before start going up again. And at this point, once we cross in 2025, I stopped swing trading using short upturn and swing trading strategy, and went with relatively longer upturn line. So I should have purchased it when it touched base with this support line, but I didn't. And I just held on to this purchase until I sold it when it reached it reached all-time highest price, and I sold it. But yeah, and until now I still ignore dividend and earning, and just place the order when I'm ready to place it. So thank you so much for watching our videos. With the strategy you are using, because those decisions can differ from one strategy to the other. With the swing trading strategy do you buy stocks after earning announcement? Thank you so much for your time. We thank you very much for watching our videos. Thank you for all your comments. We thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. I'm Afiabi Liberman, and on our channel we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence. And swing trading could allow you to create another stream of income from the comfort of your house. Just save a little bit of your paycheck, your hard-earned money, to put in your brokerage account or Roth IRA and slowly swing trade there. As a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a professional trader. I just swing trade in my husband and I joint account, and I like to share what is working for me, what is not working, my skill, my knowledge, so that if you find something useful, you can improve, customize those tips, and use it in your own financial success journey. So will you please use our information with caution. For more videos in this series, will you please check the playlist How to Start Swing Trading Step by Step Using Long Uptrend Lines in the description of this video. And this video is brought to you by our online store Liberman.com. If you are looking for pouches, tote bag, cloth napkins, will you please check our online store Liberman.com. Thank you so much for your time. Happy swing trading.